more fun to share with everyone. Always more fun to share with everyone. If you have one, give one to your friend. If you have three, to your friend and me. It's always more fun to share with everyone. Fun to share with everyone. Have something you can learn. You can still share just by taking turns. Got a ball, bounce it to the game. If there is a new kid, invite him out a hand. Sandwich, cut that thing in half. You know a secret joke, tell it and share a laugh. You got one drumstick, give it to your friend. Beat forever, share a beat that never ends. When lonely, share time with your mom. Share some milk and cookies and sing a sharing song. Everybody knows it's more fun to share with everyone.